Hello everyone! Welcome to my card channel. Today we want to draw a rooster, a hen, and a chick in the form of puppet. First, we draw the rooster. His tail, his wings, and his legs. Then we draw a funny hen. A cute little chick. Now we will make this beautiful painting more visible. Well, we draw puppet circles. Let's go for rainbow coloring. Red, orange,
hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
yellow,
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck 6, oh fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
green,
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
blue,
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell.
purple,
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife.
orange.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
We also use rainbow colors to color
Wife
the
takes the
hen.
child, the wife
Red.
takes the child. Hi-ho, the
Orange.
dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Yellow,
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog.
green,
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
purple,
The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese.
orange again.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse
And
takes the
finally,
cheese.
we color this very cute little chick with yellow color.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o,
Please
the
like
cheese
and
stands alone.
subscribe.
Hi-ho,
See you in the next
dairy-o,
video.
The cheese stands alone.